Morning at the pond or Center Spring Park to get fresh air, cool breeze, and start a nice day. Fresh air increase the flow of oxygen. The more oxygen you will breathe, which will increase the amount of serotonin, a happy hormone. Inhale and exhale to clean your lungs and release toxin from your body to welcome a new day. Center Spring Park is a pretty cool place to visit in any time, especially in the morning. You can see the water flow and enjoy wonderful nature. Morning at the pond, a new beginning. Help meditate in some minutes. Take a fresh walk to clear your mind and see things in perspective. Beautiful nature in the morning help reduce stress and definitely enhance creation and positively improve physical health. Pretty quiet and not crowded in the morning at the pond. It lets you enjoy fully. You can see goose are getting together for their activity, swimming in the morning. They are also searching for food to begin their new day.